This is Foot Locker's blueprint for democratizing retail intelligence, moving beyond conversational chatbots to deploy a full agentic insights engine powered by Databricks Genie across every North American banner. The transformation follows a clear arc. Fragmented data across Foot Locker's North American retail banners was bottlenecking strategic decisions. The solution was deploying Databricks Genie Agents as a unified, self-service insights platform. The outcome was democratized data access, enabling non-technical teams to execute trusted workflows autonomously. As the company's VPs of AI and data put it, Genie isn't just a tool. It's the engine driving self-service insights across the entire organization. 3 structural problems made this transformation necessary. First, data volume and velocity. Operating multiple brands generates massive, complex data streams spanning both operational and analytical systems. Second, the translation bottleneck. Business teams asked complex strategic questions. By extracting answers required routing every request through constrained data engineering pipelines. Third, the context gap. Early AI tools guessed at answers because they lacked the complete, governed business context spread across siloed systems. The core paradigm shift is from AI as an individual tool to AI as an organizational engine. The old way was conversational analytics, guessing at incomplete context, producing confident hallucinations dangerous in finance and operations. The Foot Locker way treats governed enterprise data as the definitive ground truth. The agentic coworker sits on a data lakehouse with verified metrics and full business context, automating and orchestrating work grounded in real business numbers. Pillar 1 is a centralized insights engine powered by the Genie ontology, a live, self-improving context layer that continuously extracts and updates business knowledge from sources like Databricks, Jira, Slack, and SharePoint. Because it understands the business completely from actual data, AI queries are answered via authoritative SQL lookups, not by reasoning from fragmented documents. The result is one trusted space where executives, finance professionals, marketing specialists, and operations managers all get AI-driven answers. Pillar 2 is seamless multi-banner coverage. The system is actively deployed across every North American retail banner. Foot Locker, Kids Foot Locker, and Champs Sports, all feeding into a single Unity Catalog foundation. Unity Catalog ensures that while the insights engine spans all brands, data remains strictly governed and secured. A question about margin performance fundamentally understands each specific banner's nuances without requiring brand-siloed data warehouses. Pillar 3 reshapes data interaction through self-service. The flow has 4 steps. A non-technical executive types a natural language query. The Genie agent translates it using the live ontology. A secure query runs against governed Databricks data, and instantly an interactive chart and actionable report are generated. This bypasses the engineering queue entirely. Users go beyond asking questions. They generate live documents, reports, visual charts, and schedule automated monitoring alerts, all without writing a single line of code. The performance gap between legacy analytics and agentic workflows is decisive across every dimension. Query speed goes from days or weeks in an engineering queue to seconds via natural language. Context awareness shifts from static dashboards to a Genie ontology that continuously learns from live data. Repeatability replaces ad hoc manual rebuilds with saved Genie agents that inherit instructions for repeatable workflows. And actionability moves from read-only views to vibe-coded apps and direct MCP tool execution. Pillar 4 is strategic decision support. Leaders describe Genie not just as a conversational tool, but as the primary engine driving the decisions that matter most. Because it uses governed enterprise data as ground truth, it explains the why behind complex financial and operational shifts. A query asking why margins changed in the Kids Foot Locker banner produces a full waterfall analysis, showing contributions from pricing, volume, input costs, and promotions, delivering audit-ready insights in seconds. Pillar 5 scales the capability to an enterprise multiplayer force. Foot Locker's implementation moves from isolated individual AI interactions to a full enterprise capability. Teams save conversations as named Genie agents. These agents inherit memory, sources, and instructions, allowing entire departments to repeat trusted workflows and share agent skills organization-wide. What starts as one insight for one executive becomes a reusable capability for hundreds of users. The architecture governing all of this has 3 layers. At the foundation is the lakehouse and LTAP, The unified data foundation providing real-time speed for agentic reasoning. The middle layer is Unity Catalog and Mosaic AI Gateway, handling governance, access control, PII filtering, usage tracking, and cost distribution. At the top is Genie Agents and App Builder, the self-service interface. Democratization at scale is only possible because of this governance foundation beneath it. The business model is a self-reinforcing flywheel. In Quarter 1, centralize, Genie ontology aggregates truth. Quarter 2, scale, deploy across banners via Unity Catalog. Quarter 3, govern, the AI gateway secures and tracks everything. Quarter 4, empower, self-service workflow execution. As more teams use Genie agents, the ontology gets smarter, workflows become more robust, and time to insight approaches zero. The ultimate outcome is consistent answers, universally trusted workflows, and a unified data culture across every retail brand. The Foot Locker implementation proves that the future of enterprise AI is not conversational. It is agentic, strictly governed, and deeply woven into the operational fabric of the business. By treating governed data as the definitive ground truth, large enterprises can finally move beyond AI pilots to build the automated insights engines that will define the next era of retail.